everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete applications off of your Amazon Fire Stick. So an easy way to see all your different applications is if we go on over to the box with the three little boxes in it and the plus icon, we can go down to My Apps right here. And then we can press the button with the three lines on it on a remote. And this will give us the option to uninstall an app. So you can see everything you have on here real easy, just by the icons. So maybe I don't want Facebook Watch. I don't even know if that's popular or anything like that. Let's just go to uninstall it, and we can get rid of it just through here. Now another way we can do this is if we back up, go to settings, we can go down under here, and we want to go over to applications, and we can delete them through here too. This way just takes a little bit more extra steps. And then we can go to the application. I think I was using this to watch football at one point in time. And then we can go to uninstall right here. Just press the play button and you should be able to uninstall it. Nice thing is it actually shows you the storage that it takes up. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.